Hi, my name is Jason Kang. I'm a full-stack developer working in South Korea. Today we're going to clone the right side of the header of our Medium blog. Last time, we cloned the left side of the header. So today we're going to focus on the right side of the header and then add that to the original project. And if you take a look, the left side and the right side are similar in terms of alignment. So I'm going to create a separate section for the left side, separate section on the right side. So let's go back to the code and add the sections first. And then in terms of this side, I'm going to add some empty text with some borders to it to see how much area is taken up, and then replace them with the relevant images to make it look just like the Medium blog. Let's say search, profile, and medium. I'm going to add the class to the section. And then give this to the other one as well. You see the search, profile, and medium are popped up right here. So let's add the flex box to the sections as well. Then I'm going to separate these two by adding a property called justify content to the header. Just like that. And let's add some borders to the right side to see how much area is taken up. There we go. And then add the images now. I downloaded all the necessary images here. It's the icon medium, icon profile, and icon search. And I'm going to add an image tag to have them as the children to these A tags here. Let's go. Con search. And I'm going to add the alt tag, which is going to be a text that's going to be shown if a browser fails to load your image. You see this image is kind of big. That's because I haven't set the sizes. But let's set the images first and then change the sizes after all together. Let's see, profile, alt profile. And then like that, you see all the images have been added. So let's use the CSS viewer to get the sizes of each image. So in order to do that, let's add some class to the image first. And then let's go back to the blog. So activate the CSS viewer first. And then you can see this one is 25 pixels each. This one is 31.988, but we'll take it at 32. This one is 25 by 44. So let's change the image sizes. Image search was, and then the profile, logo, icon medium logo, image, logo. There we go. Let's change sizes now. You see, they are all right there. So let's get rid of the border. But if you take a look at this, you can see they are spread apart. So to get the margins, I gotta use, oh, actually it's right here. You can see the margin right is 24 pixels. So these two are separate, these three are actually separated by 24 pixels each. So I can add the margin right feature on these elements too. Right. Yeah, just like that. But this means that this logo also has a margin right 24 pixels, but this one should not have the margin. So that means I could create a separate class for these two only, but this time I'm gonna show you something called CSS selector. This is gonna allow you to change the styles of your children by applying styles to your parent element. That's how the inheriting comes in. So I'm gonna add margin right to first and second child, but not the last child. Just like this, take a look. So let's get rid of this. I'm gonna add class to here. A, not last child, margin right, 24 pixels. You see how these two are spread apart, but medium logo has gone back. But if you notice, this one also moved too. That's because I have the same class name for both sections. So let's separate this. I'm gonna add a section header and another one section header right. So by doing that, if I apply styles here, this one goes back to the normal. And that's it for today. In the next session, we're gonna clone the left side of the main body called outside. So please follow along so that by the end of this project, you can have a blog of your own. And as always, if you want to learn something specific, please leave them in the comments below so I can answer your questions. Thank you and stay tuned.